Hello students, in this lecture I will discuss the integrals of the form sin mx cos raised to the power nx dx. Here m comma n belongs to natural numbers. So now let us start with question number 1. Sin 4x cos cube x dx. In this integral, the powers of sin x and cos x are natural numbers, but the power of cos x is odd natural number. So if the power of cos x is odd, then if then take sin x is equal to t. So if we take sin x is equal to t here, then cos x, let sin x is equal to t. Then cos x dx is equal to dt. Now in the integral, replace sin x by t, so t raised to the power 4. And here cos cube x dx, that is separate one cos x from here, so you can write cos square x. So write sin 4x into cos square x into cos x dx. This cos x dx will be replaced by dt, and this sin 4x is equal to t power 4, and cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So t4 into 1 minus t square dt. Now multiplying by t4 here, so integration of t4 dt minus integration of t power 6 dt. By the x raised to the power n rule, this is equal to t raised to the power 5 upon 5 minus t raised to the power 7 upon 7 plus c. So this is equal to, putting the value of t here, t is sin x, so sin x power 4, that is sin 5x upon 5 minus sin 7x upon 7 plus c. So this is the final answer. So in the first case, when the power of cos x is odd, I have taken sin x is equal to t. If in this type of integral sin mx cos nx, the power of sin x is odd, then always take cos x, let cos x is equal to t. And on differentiating, we get minus sin x dx is equal to dt. That is sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So now replacing here sin cube x, I can write this is equal to sin x into sin square x into cos 6x dx, which is equal to integration sin x into this sin square x by the trigonometric identity is equal to 1 minus cos square x into cos 6x dx. Now replacing sin x dx by minus dt here, 1 minus cos square x, that is putting cos x is equal to t. So if we put cos x is equal to t and sin x dx is equal to minus dt, then this integral reduces to 1 minus t square into t raised to the power 6 and sin x dx will be replaced by minus dt, which is equal to integral, if we multiply by minus sign, t square minus 1 into t6 dt, which is equal to integral of t raised to the power 8 dt minus integral of t raised to the power 6 dt, which by the rule of x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Using that formula, you can write this is equal to t raised to the power 8 plus 1, 9 upon 9 minus t raised to the power 7 upon 7 plus c. Now putting the value of t is equal to cos x here. So you can write this is equal to cos of 9x upon 9 minus cos of 7x upon 7 plus c. So this is the final answer. So in these type of questions, students keep one point in mind. If the power of sin x is odd, then take cos x is equal to t, and if the power of cos x is odd, then take sin x is equal to t. Next type in this category, if the integral is of the form sin mx cos nx dx and m and n are rational numbers and such that m plus n is an even integer. On adding the exponents of sin x and cos x, you get an even integer. Then the technique will, now I will tell you. So this is equal to integration of sin and minus 4x cos of minus 2x dx. Now if we add these two, m plus n, in this case m plus n is equal to minus 4 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus 6, an even integer. So in this case, the substitution will be 10x is equal to t. Take 10x is equal to t, and to convert this into this 10 form or cot form, multiply by the positive of this. Let this be equal to k. So multiply by positive of this, that is cos kx, that is cos of 6x, multiply and divide by cos 6x and divide by cos 6x. Means the balance is there, multiply and divide by cos 6x. So I can write this is equal to this integral is equal to sin minus 4x into cos minus 2x, multiply and divide by cos 6x, that is cos 6x, and the upon cos 6x which we divide will be equal to sec 6x dx. Or you can say multiply by cos 6x into sec 6x. These are balanced here. Now if you solve it further, then this is equal to integration of sin minus 4x into this cos 6x and cos minus 2x is equal to cos 4x into this sec 6x, you can write sec 4x into the 1 sec square x is remaining here, sec square x dx. Because if you let 10x is equal to t, then on differentiating you will be having, on differentiating, sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this sec square x dx will be replaced by dt, and here we can balance it. This is equal to cos 4x upon sin 4x into sec 4x is equal to sec square x square into sec square x dx. Now this cos 4x upon sin 4x is equal to cot 4x into this sec square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x square into sec square x dx. Now I have taken tan x is equal to t, so cot x is equal to 1 upon t. So I can write this is equal to 1 upon t4 cot 4x into 1 plus tan square x means 1 plus t square whole square into this sec square x will be replaced by dt. Now on simplifying it, 1 plus t square whole square is equal to 1 plus t4 plus 2t square divided by t4 dt, which is equal to, now which is equal to 1 upon t4, 1 upon t4, that is integration of t raised to the power minus 4 dt plus 1 dt plus t square divided by t4, that is 2t square divided by t4 means 2 is a constant, t raised to the power minus 2 dt, and on applying the x raised to the power n formula, this is equal to t raised to the power minus 3 upon minus 3 plus t plus 2t raised to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c, which is equal to minus 1 upon 3 t cube plus t plus minus 2 upon t plus c. Now putting the values here, so this is equal to, the final answer will be equal to minus 1 upon 3 and t is 10x, so 10 cube x plus 10x minus 2 upon 10x plus c. And if you want to write this in the positive pattern, then 1 upon 10 cube x is equal to cot cube x, so minus 1 upon 3 cot cube x plus 10x minus 2 cot x plus c. This is the final answer of the question. Let us move to the next question of this type. Integral of integrate cube root of sin square x upon cos 14x dx. So first let us simplify this. Sin square x, that is sin power 1 by sin square x upon cos 14x whole power 1 by 3 dx, which is equal to integration of sin 2 upon 3x upon cos 14 upon 3x dx, means sin x raised to the power 2 upon 3 and cos x raised to the power 14 upon 3. Now writing it in the correct form, so if I write this, then this is equal to sin integral of sin 2 upon 3x into cos of minus 14 upon 3x dx. And here you can see the exponent of sin x and cos x are rational numbers. So now this is m and this is n. So if we add m plus n is equal to 2 upon 3 and minus 14 upon 3, which is equal to minus 12 upon 3 is equal to minus 4. So m plus n is a even integer. So we will follow the substitution tan x is equal to t here, and to convert it into the tan form, so we will multiply by the opposite of this, means plus 4, that is cos 4x. Multiply and divide by cos 4x. Multiply and divide by cos 4x. So we multiply and divide by the opposite sign of m plus n. That is, m plus n is minus 4 here. So we multiply by plus 4. Cos raised to the power 4x. So multiply by cos 4x and divide by cos 4x. That is, we can write this integral as sine 2 upon 3x cos minus 14 upon 3x into multiply by cos 4x, that is cos 4x, and divide by cos 4x. When we write this, we can write this sec 4x dx. So balancing like this, cos 4x into sec 4x. Dividing by cos 4x means multiplying by sec 4x. So this is balanced here. Now sine 2 upon 3x and cos minus 14 upon 3 plus 4. Minus 14 upon 3 plus 4 will give you sine 2 upon 3x into minus 14 upon 3 plus 4 power minus 14 upon 3 plus 4 will give you 14, 4 3 are 12, minus 2 upon 3. So minus cos of minus 2 upon 3x dx minus cos of minus 2 upon 3x into sec 4x. Sec 4x we will separate it. Sec square x into sec square x dx. Because if we make the substitution tan x is equal to t here, if we take the substitution of tan x is equal to t, so tan x, let tan x is equal to t here, then sec square x dx will be equal to dt. So we will have to keep it separate, sec square x dx. And this sec square x we can write, this is equal to integration of sine 2 upon 3x. This cos minus 2 by 3 becomes cos 2 upon 3x into this sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx will be replaced by, first let it be sec square x dx, later on we will replace. Now this is tan 2 upon 3x, tan 2 upon 3x into 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. Now making the substitution of tan x is equal to t, because in all these cases when the m and n are rational number, exponent of sine and cos are rational number, and their sum is an even integer, then in that case even negative integer. So here this is even negative integer, so in that case the substitution is tan x is equal to t. So we can write here t raised to the power 2 upon 3 into 1 plus t square into dt. Now separating the integrals, t raised to the power 2 upon 3 dt plus here 2 plus 2 upon 3, that is 3 to 6 to 8 upon 3 dt. Now on integrating we get t raised to the power 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 upon 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 upon 3 plus 1 plus this is equal to t raised to the power 8 upon 3 plus 1 upon 8 upon 3 plus 1 plus c. So if we solve it further, then this is equal to 2 plus 3. 5 upon 3, 3 upon 5, t raised to the power 5 upon 3 plus here 11 upon 3, that is 3 upon 11, t raised to the power 11 upon 3 plus c. Now putting the values, value of t is here 10x, so we get this is equal to 10, 3 upon 5, 10 of 5 upon 3x plus 3 upon 11 10 of 10 raised to the power, that is 10 raised to the power 11 upon 3x plus c. So this is the final answer of this question. So with this question I conclude this type of questions. Write and subscribe my